I'll let you go in front.
Since I was a child, now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. That I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy hurt you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right. so that I can see clear. So hard to find. I'm tripping on the dark side. Yeah, yeah. Dirty, dirty, I feel so dirty. Dark sky only. Dirty, dirty, I feel so dirty. Dark sky only. Yeah. I guess no one's listening. I'm like a strong wheel pushed by the wind of emptiness. Waiting for the end to strike a chord. Oh yeah. I wish I had no more prayers, no more questions.
I'm definitely feeling that in my left knee. When I stepped off in the sand, I think I stuffed my knee. Feels like it's on the inside, like MCL area. I can still walk, but it's feeling quite sore now.
This time of my life. Dark sky only. Dark sky only. Don't believe what I see, and I know I'm right. But dark sky only. Don't believe what I see, and I know I'm right. But dark sky only. I'm tripping on the dark side. 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 No, 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 no. I'm tripping on the dark side. I'm tripping on the dark side. I'm tripping on the dark side.
We just pulled over to check the map. So we keep going straight though on the one we're at, but I was just saying with my knee, I think when we get to that turnoff, we might have to call it. I mean, we still got several days of riding, and yeah, I mean, if I like fanging out on that trail and my knee is already stuffed, I think it's better just to take it back to the camp, grab lunch, see if they got some ice or something, ice it, take some Nurofen, and then just assess it. Yeah, I mean, 'cause I still got like, there's still a bunch more riding we want to do, so I think we'll just take it back a notch, and yeah. So anyway, we'll save that hard stuff for you big boys, for you hard boys. All right, let's do it.
back of you. Stalled the bike.
When I cut into your lane?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How you going, mate? Hi, mate. How you going? Hi, where you from, mate? How you going, mate? How you going, mate? You guys want to go ride Skytrek, mate? You guys riding Skytrek then, are you, mate? Did you hurt your knee, mate? Oh, you busted up your knee, did you big boy. Oh, you hurt yourself, did you, mate? Hey? Oh, sorry. Oh, you poor thing, mate. Oh, you should go to Bunnings, harden the fuck up. Yeah, you need some concrete, mate. You gotta harden up, hey?
What do you think?
You gotta keep that in there, right? Oh, man, beautiful ride.
How freaking cool is this? So, I don't know, is there a point here? Oh wait, there is, yeah. If you guys are gonna do this, don't stop at 31.
Well, there's no shade here though.
I don't care.
I'm just let them go.
There's no shade here. Wah. You can sit in the shade of this little thing here, but man, this is a really good view up here. Let's see what number this is. 40. So this is where are we quitting? We're quitting at 42 because we quitters. When we go do it, we quit. Anyway, man, this is absolutely spectacular. I'll get up here in the table and see if I do a 360. Holy cow, this is amazing. How's that? Ow. Oh. Absolutely amazing views. Far out. Like this is, I mean, South Australia, I love you. I mean, seriously. Once we turned, we got past the flatland, we were headed towards Hawker. I mean, South Australia is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's so nice. I actually really quite like the scenery. I don't know what New South Wales has, maybe. But man, South Australia is stunning. It's beautiful. Look here. Cool, man. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just gonna grab a drink, grab a smoke, whatever, and then I wonder how many Ks we've done.
Find a rock and write InHardinated and put it on the stack.
Oh yeah. Or you could stick it in the tree. See what we've got for Ks. 57. So what have we got? 23 Ks left to go. Yeah, my knee, man. Anyway, 23 Ks left to go. There you go, guys. Put your rock on the rock pile. Anthony and I, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all the rocks. We're gonna write hard on one rock and we're gonna put it on the ground, then we're gonna pile all the rocks back on top. If you guys, if one of you folks can find that rock, I will shout out your name on a video. I'll be like, so and so found the hard rock.
Probably just put it on the pile.
No, I want to put it.
Yeah,
I want to put it on the bottom because they got to work for it. Because if you just put it up there,
that means you have to move the rocks.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you to do that.
Well, but you're gonna. So
No,
you're
I'm
gonna
directing traffic.
I'll write it.
No.
I'll start writing.
No,
you go ahead and start.
I'm gonna, because what someone needs.
I'll start writing.
No, someone needs to direct the placement of the rocks. You can't just drop them anywhere.
Yeah, I'll just pile them here.
Yeah.
You know what? Here's what you do: is I'll write it and I'll set it there, and then I'm gonna head back to camp, and you can just move that pile on top of it. And then.
Can you? You know, it would be even better to get it back to where it was. We alphabetize it.
That's
and
right.
so, but that's only up to Z. So then we'll have to use like AA, AB. So yeah, we do the alpha numerical.
1, 1, 2,
yep. Stack them there, and then when we put them back, then we know
exactly where they go.
Yeah.
Every placement.
Each
That's a
rock.
good idea. Because we don't want to mess with anybody's. You know, they've scribbled their names on here somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. Anyway.
Look, come by and unscribbled their names. Adam. Adam's the only clear one on here, so Adam screwed up everybody's name.
Unbelievable.
And Angie. Adam and Angie.
Adam and Angie, we're coming for you guys. That's absolute nonsense. You scratched out everyone's names. Or they could have just been the last people to come. Hi.
All these names are scratched out. I'm gonna write my name on here.
Or it could have been like profanity or some nonsense and someone didn't want their kids to see that.
Dingleberries.
All right, let's grab some water and then get back on the road.
I'm tearing it up, dude. I've got no worries. Like, I'm just romping around with them. They're lovely. So MT21 on the front with a D.
Close?
I don't know. Is that too close?
MT21 on the front with a D606 on the back.
Yeah, we have the same, dude.
I know, I'm letting them know.
Yeah, but we have the same.
Yeah, but I'm telling them. I'm
No,
not
you're
telling
talking
you.
to me. You're trying to tell me what you have.
Yeah, I told you, and then you got what I had.
I got it. No, I got it because I knew that was the best setup.
Yeah, but I told you it was the
didn't
best.
tell
I
me
was
that.
like, this.
You didn't tell me
I was
that.
like, I've researched it, and it
didn't
seems
tell me
like
that.
a lot of guys are running this,
Nope.
and this is what I'm trying out.
I got it. I found a forum that said this is what a lot of guys are running. It's the best setup.
I got it. I just found a forum. I'm pretty. Yeah, I got it, and then I was like, the MT21 on the front.
I'm just saying, you could have
D606
said
on the
whatever
rear.
you said. I'm telling you why I got it, because of what the forum said, not because of what you said.
Yeah, but I
You could have said.
But I was the one who researched the forum.
I put banana peels on my rim. You could be running banana
I run
peels.
orange peels on the front and bananas on the back, baby. Bananas.
All right, so tell them what you got.
I just MT.
You got banana peels.
I got banana peels. MT21 and the D606. Beautiful.
Yep. So how many Ks do you have on yours?
Honestly, I couldn't tell you. Last trip plus this trip plus a little riding around. Not much riding around though.
Because yours are.
They're getting low.
I think you'll make this trip. You'll make a trip, but yeah.
But yeah, so last trip was only what? We didn't even do that much on last trip.
Oh well, from. Oh yeah, you didn't.
I didn't go from Canberra.
I mean, it would have been at least 500 Ks though.
Yeah, so 500 plus this trip, so it's not much. But I have been riding around my property, so.
Why do I feel like
property and around town? So, but not a lot. Like maybe 200 Ks worth, 300 Ks worth.
But if you look at your tires, my tires, why do I feel like my tires are almost?
Because I'm a better rider. So there's that. What were you gonna say?
No, I was gonna say mine are caught up, probably because I'm going fucking hard.
Probably because I'm a better rider.
I'm going.
You just sit, and that's sitting still. All right, let me put it in gear.
Whatever, it's windy up here. I hope this little windscreen does the job because it's windy as. Anyway, whatever. Let's have some water and get out of here. This place is tapped. We got the footage. gonna go drop the keys off. So we ended up not doing the hard bit, obviously. Better safe than sorry. We'll save it for next time. But man, amazing riding. All right, well, that's it, folks. There endeth the Skytrek. Yeah, really good riding. I mean, all throughout. We'll save the hard stuff for the next trip, but I think all in all it went really well. Thank you, appreciate it. Thanks.
Nice.
Cool. So, thoughts on final thoughts on Skytrek
Really
before
good.
I close it out?
I reckon if your knee didn't mess up, we would have crushed it. Honestly, I don't even think it would have been that. I mean, we didn't see it, but I think we probably could have smashed it.
I don't know, when we hit that first little bit of rock coming around through the canyon, I thought, oh,
That was a little tough.
there's some stuff in there.
Yeah.
So I wonder how much.
Much tougher it was than
Yeah.
that.
Anyway, yeah, whatever.
I enjoyed it.
This
Thought it was great.
This is our second adventure trip anyway, so it's not like we
We'll
don't.
be back. We'll be back to
Be back
tame
tomorrow.
the beast.
Do it tomorrow.
Well,
Because tomorrow is the official start of the trip.
I thought remember
Today
how you
was-
had said today was the sort though?
Today was the warm
Today
up.
was a warm up.
Anyway, they're into the Skytrek. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Really fun ride. Highly recommend it.
Great.
Not
great
there.
ride,
There's
yeah.
like one little bit that was kind of a little bit, sort of whatever. But we're brand new for amateur newbies. We went just fine.
Yeah, I would say if you're newer than us, there's one part where you might have trouble. Otherwise, you can go slow through.
So when you
Like,
say
we
new,
wanna-
when you say newer than us, you mean like you've only had one ride.
one ride.
But that's all we've had is one ride. So they've
Yeah.
had no rides.
They've had zero
So
rides.
if you're very
No, but this is our second. So if it's their first, if it's their
Yeah,
first
that's-
ride,
So if your
then
very first ride is Skytrek, maybe
take it easy. Take it easy and watch out for whatever section that was
Yeah.
where we hit that real rough rock. Other than that, you can cruise through it, most of it. Even that, you can probably cruise. I wouldn't go slow through that. Some of it. Those hills were a little steep. So honestly, I don't know how much worse it could have been. I'm really keen to come back out here again one day and conquer number 42 through whatever.
cool. All right, there you go. Skytrek done. Tick. Next. Get hard. Get hard. Stay hard.
It's done though, but it's not done.
Done. Tick.
But we didn't finish it.
Oh well, until we finish it. It's done for as
Easy part of Skytrek.
it's done for us. Just one closing note to mention. We started at 20 to 10. We had a stop at Mawson's hut or whatever it's called. So I spent 10 minutes fixing my cables. Then we stopped at the top where the rock pile was. We stopped there for 10 minutes and it's 1:30 now, just to give you guys a sense of time. And we turned off at number 42 to come back. So I don't know, what is that? Call it 9:30 to 1:30. Was that 4 hours? So you could probably 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah, you can do it in 4 hours, pretty easy. I don't know what the last section would be, but anyway, that loop that we did was 4 hours. So, and if you're gonna,
We were at, I think when we passed that, we were at like 68K, 69Ks, because it was only like 3Ks back here, 4Ks back here.
yeah, okay,
So
yeah. Anyway, so there you go. Just a note for time and stuff like that. Yeah. Anyway, ride safe. We're officially kicking off the Skytrek challenge. We're gonna ride Skytrek as many times as we can, and we invite you guys to do the same.
Check out that cool rock. Anybody comes here, come to campsite too. Check out that cool rock.
We're gonna stash this rock.
Rock is gonna be stashed. I'm gonna stash the hard rock.
The hard rock. Wow.
I'm gonna stash the hard rock up there.
The only people that are gonna ever find that are the people that watch this, and then the people that are silly enough to come out here to bloody campsite too.
And if you find it, take a picture of it, send it to us, and we'll give you $1 million.
If you find it, good on you.
We'll give you a thank you.
You will have successfully completed the what? Just put this on my crotch.
Right when you say hard.
So
The
we're
hard challenge.
bikers in tights. Hey guys.
Bikers.
So what do you guys do? We put tights on and then we ride around.
bikers in tight. Bikers in tight.